How to customize display scaling settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to adjust how large everything appears on your screen. First, right-click on any empty space on your desktop and select Display Settings. From there, scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. After that, click on the drop-down next to Scale and choose a percentage from the list. 100% is the default, but you can go up to 125%, 150%, or higher depending on your screen size and preference. At this point, if none of the preset options feel right, click on the Scale dropdown and look for a custom scaling option. From here, type in a specific percentage that works best for you and click the check mark to confirm. Following this, you'll see a message saying you need to sign out for the changes to fully apply. Click Sign Out Now if you want it to take effect straight away, or leave it and it will apply the next time you sign in. After that, if you have multiple monitors connected, scroll up and click on each display in the diagram at the top of the page to select it and set a different scaling level for each one independently from each other. Finally, keep in mind that setting scaling too high can make some older apps look blurry, so it's worth testing a few different levels to find what looks sharpest on your specific display. That's how you customize display scaling settings in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!